It's a Kia Stinger. Yeah, it's a Kia Stinger. I think. Let me look on the back. Row after row cars. Yep, it's a Stinger. I think this might be a Camaro. Here comes a Ferrari. Yeah, wrapped in mesh. Here comes Ferrari.
Oh, wait. Look at that one.
Very nice. Whoa. What's that? Alright, they got some good stuff. Alright, is this a Ferrari 360?
2 years. Oh man.
Sorry. Lots of Porsches. There's all those cars. My Porsche. Here's an Audi. A couple Audis actually. Very good. Model Y. Yeah, it is a Model Y. And a Bentley. Jeez, what is this? Looks like a JDM car. Right-hand drive. Oh, it's a Mitsubishi.
Well, nice talking to you.
Yeah, you too, sir. See you later.
GTO. Now that was good. Golf. And a Boxster and... Jeez. It's a massive rear wing. The front. The front of that. Another STI right here. There's a Ferrari. That's a GT86, I think. 86. God, they have a Unimog here. What the hell? Oh, they're backing up. Oh, nice. 2 GR Supras. Brand new ones. Looks like the... Wow. Good carbon fiber on it. And a GR, and then a Type R. Honda Civic. This is really good, and oh my gosh. There's a lot of Porsches up here. Also an NSX. There's an NSX.
Good domain. It's a good domain.
Porsche. Ooh, okay, here's a good car up here. Here's a really good car up here. It's an old Carrera. I think it might be a turbo. Oh no, not turbo, but 3.2 liter, I think. What kind of car is this? Looks like a Mercedes or an Audi. Yeah, Audi. Another vet. A couple little muscle cars up here. There's a couple of cars right there. Look at that. There's an Aston Martin.
All the perfect conditions.
C8.
Yeah. Well, I
Over the radar detector. Not bad. Here's a Ferrari. And here's another Ferrari right here. Two old Ferraris. Not bad. Here's a BMW. Up here's Will's car. Is that a Bronco? It is. Nice. Bunch of it's a ZR1, I think. Is it ZR1? It's a BMW. Looks like a ZR1, but I don't know if it is. Don't think so. Ooh, 240. It's a Datsun. Wow.
I don't want to self-drive a car. I said, pay all that money for a car, I want to drive it.
There's a demon. Jeez, look at that. It's an ACR Viper. Massive, massive thing.
Oh, we had it graded.
Drove around the neighborhood. It's an Alpha. Another old Porsche. Another very old Porsche at that. 911 turbo. Not bad. The Viper though. Very nice Viper. I always like Vipers. Took another XSTI. All the way over there, I see another C8. Very nice C8. Oh, they actually have the engine bay open. Let's see if I can actually look in there. Look at the engine. So I got an aero package, I think. Wow. That looks good. Right in there. No, just casually that. Oh, look at that. Wow. That Ferrari right there. This one looks like a Pista. I think it's just a 488. Probably might get copyrighted for that. These cars. Thank God, there are cars outside of the marked area. So I might as well just cut over here. Oh no, I see some cars up there that I want to go look at. I'm interested in some cars up here. That looks like an Altezza. I'm 99% sure this is an Altezza. Yep, Altezza. Pretty nice spoiler on that. Another WRX. I think I can just go down this way now. GT, the Camaro too.
Supercars.
NSX, or now an RE, same thing. The Corvette and
I'll take this over a Bronco any day.
is that a Bronco? I'm not sure. It's a Defender and a Unimog.
He said Ike Gossett, Kangaroo.
Now you get everything on the front and the starter if you need to get to it. In the doghouse inside, there's a panel comes off and get right to the starter.
Air compressor.
Yep. And air up your tires, air your tires down, whatever you need done, you run air tools. It has 2 air tanks, one for an air trailer. Brakes, flat heads.
Probably explaining why the heck that's legal. C8. Here's a older Corvette. And another Corvette. Lots of Corvettes. Lots of Corvettes.
That's one of the first engines I assembled from scratch.
Coming for JDM cars. I don't know if there are that many.
That one day you guys were working on Jimmy's car.
I smell a bunch of old cars right now. I wish you guys could smell that. It smelled good. Oh, FC. Boom. All types of RX-7s today, apparently. You've got an FD and an FC. A nickel D moment. The bills look like these look like Watanabes, but like, you know, not Watanabes. Oh, and there's an R35 on air ride. Or bags, I should say.
Huh?
Nothing. I'm good.
Everybody's on something. All right, I'm sorry.
What is that? It's got like racing tires on it. It's modified pop-off steering wheel. Legal G53. Modded Camaro. Nice. BBS. Alright, I'm going on this road now. Because I see an R35. There's a nice Jeep up here that's modded. Fingerprints on the last row.